How to connect Zelle to bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect your Zelle to bank. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take here is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for zellepay.com. Head directly to the website, and after you're on your website, you can scroll down. Now scroll down until you find the step 3, that is get started. So tap on get started here. And after you tap on get started, you can then scroll down to search your bank. Now you can see a lot of banks available here. You can see, a lot of banks. Just search for your bank. And after you search for your bank and you find it, you can just open it up. So I'll just open this bank up here. And after you open one bank up, you will see continue to your bank. Tap on that button. And after you tap on it, it will take you to another page where you can just log in into your account. So just verify. And after you verify that, you will get redirected to your bank's website from which you can just sign in. You'll see the login button. Tap on the login button on the top and just log in into your account. And after you do that, you're basically good to go. And that is how you connect Zelle to bank account, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.